If you have small tools like this but want them cordless, check out this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have in my hands here a little small micro tool set. I use this a lot. You might have things that require a small set of tools like this or electronics, and the problem with this is that it gets kind of tedious to use. You are always twisting. Sometimes these screws, maybe are only this long, but the threads are so thin, you feel like you're twisting forever, and I thought, man, we live in such a high-tech age. Why can't I find a power tool for these small bits here? So first of all, I want to just show you that these bits are not, you know, the standard size bits that fall into cordless screwdrivers, right? And I measured these, and I think they're like 4.5 or 4 millimeters, something like that. It didn't seem like a super standard size, but I did find this, and it's by a General. The General here makes a cordless screwdriver, and it's about the length of a pen here, and it's pretty slim. Looks like we've got a little button here, so you push it forward, I think, to work or back. It seems like it always wants to reset to the middle, so it's kind of one of those things where you'd push, and when you release it, it would stop, I guess, and one goes righty-tighty, the other goes lefty-loosey. We'll find out here. But what makes this interesting is that the chuck here is actually quite small. So if I pull out one of these small micro screwdriver bits here, and I go ahead and put this in here, will it fit? And it's actually a pretty snug fit. Can't tell if it's just a tight fit or if it's magnetic. Feels like it's just a tight fit. I mean, that is not going to fall out, but you can see here, I actually have a little resistance putting it in. All right, so the nice thing is I have a whole set of bits I can use with this right out of the gate. But I want to show you, it comes with this little plastic bag, and in it we get another small set of bits. So if you don't have them, you will get 2 Phillips heads, 2 flat heads, and then 2 looks like star or Torx bits right there. Not probably the easiest thing to see because of how small they are. And we also get 2 AAA batteries. So what I want to do here is go ahead and take this, and I think this will just twist off the bottom here. So just like that. And now I can go ahead and drop in these 2 AAA batteries and turn this back on. And I am going to pull out the larger of the Phillips heads here. I'm going to go throw that in there. Again, tight fit, just like that. And now I'm going to hit the button, and that is tightening it. And if I pull down on the button, yep, it goes the other way. So I have both controls, both directions on one switch, which is actually kind of nice. Now, if I go to this little toy here, and I just go ahead and put this in, and if I pull back, that should be loosening it up. It looks like that is fully loose there. So now I can pull this off. Look at that! Comes right off. Didn't have to twist my dainty wrists here to get this off, and now I can access the battery compartment in there. So if you are looking for a cordless screwdriver for the small micro bits that you use on electronics, toys, small devices, models, those types of things, this is pretty inexpensive, and I'm definitely digging it. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.